Hook. Stuck on what to film next about AI? In this video I'll give you 5 ready-to-use AI short ideas you can steal today, plus simple prompts for each. 1. So you can hit record without staring at a blank page or scrolling for inspiration for an hour. Value. Idea 1. AI fixes my worst prompt. Show a terrible prompt you used before, then use ChatGPT to upgrade it live and explain why the new version works better. Idea 2. One AI trick that saved me X hours. Pick a real workflow you automated with AI. Show the before and after and give viewers the exact prompt you used. Idea 3. Reacting to bad AI advice. Screen record a clip of generic or wrong AI tips, blur the name if needed, pause and correct them with your own more practical method. Idea 4. From idea to script in 60 seconds. Start with one messy idea from your notes, drop it into AI, and show how you turn the output into a tight, spoken script in your style. Idea 5. AI versus human. Can you guess? Share 2 short texts or hooks, one written by you and one generated by AI. Ask viewers to guess in the comments and reveal the answer in a follow-up. For each of these, you can ask ChatGPT. Write a 40-second spoken script based on this concept, with hook, 3 value points and a CTA to save or comment. You tweak, record, post, and you already have a mini-series. CTA. If you want a longer list of AI short concepts you can reuse every week. Save this video and comment ideas, so I know to share a full idea bank.